Greetings, fellow detectives. Today, we are solving a thrilling mystery. What can substances tell us about themselves? Before they even react, they give us clues that can help us figure out what they are and how they might behave. I'm Professor Elemento, and today, Luna and Leo are joining me on this investigation.
I can't wait to discover the secrets of these mysterious substances.
Let's take notes and collect evidence, just like real detectives.
Detectives, before we start, let's talk about the clues we're looking for. We call these clues properties. There are two types we'll be investigating today: physical properties and chemical properties.
So, physical properties are like how a substance looks or behaves on its own.
Exactly, Luna. And chemical properties tell us how a substance behaves when it interacts with other things. Now, let's see how these clues help us understand substances.
Look at this. It's bright blue and sparkly. Professor, is this a physical property?
Absolutely. Its color and texture are physical properties. And just by looking at it, we already have a clue about what it might be. What do you think it is, detectives watching at home?
I'm measuring the density of these liquids. I'll pour water into the graduated cylinder first, and now I'm adding vegetable oil. Look, they don't mix, and the oil floats.
Great observation, Leo. The reason the oil floats is because it's less dense than water. Density is another physical property that helps us understand how substances will behave.
So density tells us if something will sink or float. This is like solving a buoyancy mystery.
Now, let's see how these substances change when we heat them up. Luna, place your butter on the hot plate, and Leo, you do the same with your chocolate.
The butter melted so quickly.
Mine too. The melting point tells us at what temperature a solid becomes a liquid, and it's a clue that helps us identify substances. Plus, melting chocolate makes for a pretty sweet experiment.
Remember, detectives, melting point is a physical property that doesn't change even if we heat it over and over. The substance just changes form. Detectives, let's recap our findings. Today, we discovered that substances have many physical properties, like color, texture, density, and melting point. These properties are clues that help us figure out what a substance is and how it might behave.
We learned so much, and I feel like a real science detective now.
I can't wait to investigate more substances and see what other clues they give us.
That's the spirit. Remember, the more clues we gather, the closer we get to understanding the mysteries of matter. Until next time, keep investigating and stay curious.